So today we've got another lovely yoga adventure. We are filming here in the wonderful green screen. We are doing a lovely story for St. Patrick's Day. Yes, it's called Clover the Cat. It's got such a glorious message about what luck really is and what it isn't. And I just think it's a really lovely, helpful one to help kids sort of think about the way that they approach things, rather than hunting for luck, chasing rainbows, going down that road, going down the hard work, the practice, the dedication route, which generally and genuinely is probably more likely to make things happen. So it's got a really nice message to it, this story, and it's just a great celebration of all things Ireland. There's green, there's shamrocks, there's a leprechaun, there's a rainbow. I mean, there's just so many lovely, fun folklore things in this story that I just hope are a real celebration of everything that's Ireland and St. Patrick's Day.